Follow along as we show you how to glue down your artificial grass. Step 1. Secure the seams. If you are using multiple pieces of turf, connect them with seaming tape and glue. If using self-adhesive seaming tape, place the seaming tape adhesive side up where the two pieces of turf will join. If using standard fabric seaming tape, like we are here, place the textured side face up. Apply turf glue to the seaming tape. Carefully align the edges of the turf. Now it's time to glue the artificial grass to your prepped base. Use a high-quality turf adhesive specially designed for artificial turf installation. Apply the glue to the surface. To conserve glue, you can focus on the perimeter of each turf panel and light attention to the center of the space. When using this method, a gallon of glue can cover approximately 450 to 600 square feet. Carefully lay the turf onto the adhesive-covered base. Make sure the turf is properly aligned and avoid trapping air bubbles. Stretch the turf using a carpet kicker and use a heavy roller over the entire surface of the turf. This will ensure good contact between the turf and the adhesive.